everything you're about to see is not a funny cat. It is a boring cat. A very boring cat. If you are a hater, please stop watching this video right now. If you are not a hater, please continue. You sure you want to go in there? No? You don't want to? Okay. What is that? There's something there. There's something there. It's there. Look. Oh God, run. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, stay away. Go, whoa. Such bright. Very Doge. That's not Doge. That's my dog. Look. You do not want to see that. You do not want to see that. No. Anyway. I don't think that was a good idea. What happens when your cat wants to go outside? She looks at you. She looks at the door. She goes back. She goes to the balls. She goes over the wall. She goes to you. She walks back. She goes to the door. She looks at the door. She touches it. She meows. She touches it again. She walks back. She walks over. She walks over to the dog. She comes over to this chair. She headbutts the chair. Goes underneath the chair that you are sitting on. Tries to hide from you. And keeps on doing that over and over again. Until you let the cat out. And the cat goes out. She's refusing to go out. What a shame. All of that for nothing. The cat does not want to go out. I will just leave the cat now. What was that? Yeah. That's her. She's there. Above the ground. Oh no! Run! Just run, little kitten. Just run, little kitten. What about dog? Where is dog? I cannot seem to find dog. Cat comes back out. Hello, cat. Dog comes running. Dog goes past the door. Wow. That's what Doge said. Oh. I want to go back out. Let me out. I want to go back out. Oh. I want to go back. Oh, forget it. Where are you going? Don't leave me. Oh, mate. Oh, I'm here. Don't worry. I'm just standing there in front. I'm jumping. Cat thing. Don't wave your tail in my face. Do not wave your tail in my face. Do not. This place is dark. Very dark. Such dark. Very dark. It is a bit brighter. You can still not see my dog. You can never, for some reason, you can never see my dog. There he is. He's outlined right there. That's him. Yes, that is him. You can see my reflection if you look closely. You can just barely see it. Barely see it. What's going on? What's going on? No, I gotta go save him. No. Oh wait, I can't be bothered. I'd much rather stand around here. Yeah, it's a lot better. Stand here and wait. Was that such a good idea? Was it such a good idea? Was it? Answer me, senpai. Not this me, senpai. Please, not this me. Oh, there you are. How you doing? How you doing, Blo? How you doing? What's going on? How you doing? How you doing? You can't see me. Oh, yes you can. Hello. Hello, yeah, it's me. It's me, yeah. Your favorite person in all of video time. The dog. I have a name, you know. Don't just call me the dog. How dare you?